To come in the U.S. space program, a prototype of a prime candidate to replace the aging and expensive U.S. space shuttle fleet got a chance to rise and shine today. It's high-tech, at the cutting edge, and cutting costs. Scott Pelley has our space odyssey and its new oddity.
6, 5.
Today on the sand where America's space program began.
1.
A rocket called the Delta Clipper opened a competition to revolutionize space travel. The goal is a replacement for the Shuttle that is so simple, it will perform like an airliner and cut costs by 90%. NASA's Gary Payton.
Today it costs about $10,000 a pound to get something into orbit. We're pushing that to be $1,000 a pound.
The Shuttle is old and complex. Built in the 70s, NASA now has trouble finding some spare parts. Launching it takes 3 months and 10,000 people. The new aim is to launch in 3 days with a staff of 50. 3 companies are vying to build the prototype. 2 propose landing like the Shuttle, but the Clipper returns like Buck Rogers, as captured by this CBS remote camera. Taxpayers will chip in $1 billion for the prototype, but NASA says it will not pay for the actual ships, even when the current Shuttle faces obsolescence in 15 years. And that may be the most revolutionary aspect of this project, not the technology, but the financing. For the first time, it will be up to the aerospace companies to pay for the construction and operation of the nation's space fleet, and up to the companies to figure out how to make a buck doing it.
We don't even know the possibilities of what can be done in space, and we won't until the private sector starts acting like entrepreneurs and decides they want to go out there and find what they can.
This month, NASA will pick a prototype. Then, after tests, the winning company will decide whether to produce the Shuttle replacement. In the 21st century, America's presence in space may depend more on a balance sheet than the balance of power. Scott Pelley, CBS News, at the White Sands Missile.